Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product, which name is Prequel Redness Reform Soothing Serum. Prequel recently launched this serum. It is specially formulated for sensitive skin. If you have sensitive acne-prone skin, as well as skin prone to eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, and other mild skin conditions, this serum is ideal for you. It is fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and non-comedogenic, suitable for all skin types. Let's talk about how this serum works. This serum is a blend of advanced molecule inspired by nature, but with significant soothing benefits that provide beneficial topical redness relief and reduce underlying sensitivities. It has arnica soothing extract known to help comfort, soothe, and reduce visual facial redness. This serum has vitamin F, which supports skin barrier, while soothing essential fatty acid blend that supports the skin barrier to help calm. Redness Reform is safe for use with sensitive acne-prone skin, as well as skin prone to eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, and other mild skin conditions. How to use: apply evenly to dry, cleansed skin. Follow with moisturizer and sun protection. Final thought: this serum provides a comprehensive solution to optically reduce redness and irritation, and it's become a staple in my skincare routine. Highly recommended for sensitive, acne-prone skin, as well as skin prone to eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, and other mild skin conditions. Thanks for watching.